Hello, Tim. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites after that. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the Kerb Appeal Fenceworks homepage. And so I can see that some time or some money was spent into the site. It looks really good, and I like all the little effects as I scroll down. However, as I am scrolling down, I'm not seeing a lot of content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words of original content on your homepage. And so these reviews right here would actually not be considered original content. This would be duplicate content because they could be found on other websites online. So I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. Now, in addition to having enough good content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. Now, a good example of a keyword here is fencing Fresno. This keyword brings in over 100 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those clicks into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Now, beneath the search bar is where we will typically see Google Ads. There are none popping up for me at the moment, but Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good to take advantage of when you want to promote a special event you have going on or an offer. They're also good to take advantage of when there's a hot market. They're also a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Now, beneath where the ads would typically be now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, HomeAdvisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. So you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here. Be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. Now this should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local construction company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey, but it gives me a lot of good information. And so here I typed in the first competitor that popped up for that keyword, and I can see that they have 56 backlinks from 26 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 73 keywords. So we can take a closer look and see which keywords they're ranking for. Now you want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Here it will list all the keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how many people search for that keyword every single month. Now you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, and incorporate the best ones into your content. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing I just did with the keywords to the backlinks. And so it's telling me that they have 56 backlinks. Now you don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. You can click on the best ones and see if you can have your website added to these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, you can go through other people's backlinks, and then you can find some on your own as well. And so over here, I have typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now I can see that you have 49 backlinks from 17 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 25 different keywords. So let's just see which keywords you're ranking for and how well you're ranking for them. And so I can see you're ranking anywhere from the second page to around the bottom of the 5th page, a couple on the 8th page. But I think that you could get rised in the ranks for more of the right keywords if you incorporate the 3 things I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan, which, to recap, number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, you want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. So to go back to your overview right here, right now I can see that no one is finding your site organically every month at this point. And if we go back to the competitor, they have 62 people finding them organically every month. And so if they were to close 25% of those people on their site into customers, that'd be a little over 15 customers per month. And then I know fencing jobs can range anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000. It just depends. But if they were to just get all $1,000 jobs, that'd be $15,000 per month through their website. And so that gives you a pretty good idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be when it's ranked for the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.